Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, I'm adding some new dahlias here, and this is one of the new ones that I got. This is a color changing dahlia. This flower is supposed to change colors the longer that it's open. So, this gets about 38 to 40 inches tall, I believe it was. And this one's great for cutting. So this is the first year that I've ever grown this one, and I have another one that I'm also going to be adding. And you can see here these are already starting to sprout. And the other one, if I can get to it here, I did see, yeah, here's a sprout here coming on that one. So I'm going to get these planted here. I do have videos on my channel for how to plant dahlia tubers, and I'll put a link at the end of this video so you can check that out for how I plant them. And this is the other mix that I got here. And there were actually 3 in the pack. I didn't think that there was at first, but there was 2 that was completely stuck together, so I had to carefully separate them because all of them were sprouting. And you can see one of them here already has the green on it, so you can see how I planted this one here. I left the green out and left that exposed. So as these dahlias continue to grow, and when they start flowering, I'll come back and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye.